Hi, my dear partner and teacher. To continue, I'm going to present to my family. Excuse me, the computer is so slow. This is my loved family. In my family, the members of this are my wife and three beautiful daughters. This is me. My name is Joyner. I'm teacher. I have a muscular body. I'm tall. I have a short black hair. She is my wife. Is very beautiful. I love her. Her name is Angelica. She's 20 years old. She's tall, very tall, and she's a beautiful, clear brown eyes. Her hair is long and brown. She has a beautiful body. I love her. She's my oldest daughter. She uses glasses. Her name is Gabriela. She's 12. She's tall like her mother. She has clear brown eyes. Her hair is long and brown like her mother. She is intelligent and she has a clear skin. She's my middle child, Catalina. Is beautiful, Cata. Her name is Catalina. She's 6. Excuse me, I hear. Here I have to write she. The age. I don't write the age. She has a big, beautiful eyes. Her hair is long and brown. She's not going person. She's intelligent and she has a beautiful eyes brown. She's Catalina. I love her. She's my youngest daughter. Her name is History. She's my youngest daughter. She's intelligent. She has a beautiful eyes. She is a going person. She loves to play. Excuse me, to play. I write to play. Thank. I wait the presentation. I like you. See you the next presentation. Thank you very much.